This is mayonnaise filled Twinkie. It's mayonnaise. He's figuring it out. Oh no. Oh, Destiny doesn't know what it is. Destiny is scarfing it down. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Mayonnaise! Mayonnaise!
Eat it! Something in it. Come on, you can do it! Mayonnaise?
Come on!
Oh, they put mayonnaise. Ugh.
Kate, can you do it? Kate's gonna do it! Oh!
You can stop. Look at Destiny.